I've analyzed hundreds of DNF reports, and while shoes get the credit, it's actually improper thermoregulation that kills your race. And this single $25 item solves it better than a $200 vest. It's called the carotid cooling effect. Your neck contains major arteries that regulate brain temperature. A simple buff or neck gaiter, costing about $25, is your primary air conditioning unit. During hot ultras, packing this with ice at aid stations lowers your core temperature and perceived exertion rate immediately. But here is the trap most first-time ultra runners fall into with sunglasses. You think you need the most expensive pair for protection, but high price tags often mask the real issue: fog management. A $180 pair of glasses is useless if you have to take them off on a humid climb. For 90% of daytime racing, a $25 pair of gaiters works perfectly because they are polarized and lightweight at 22 grams. However, if your race goes into the night, you have a critical decision. You either carry a clear pair, or you invest in photochromic lenses like the Julbo Aerospeed, which adjust from category 0 to 3 automatically. Next is headwear. Do not buy a hat just for the sun, buy it for the rain. A structured brim, like on the Seal Geo cap, acts as a windshield wiper for your face during a storm. Soft, unstructured caps will collapse when wet, dumping water into your eyes and ruining your vision. Finally, the hands. Your extremities are the first to suffer from vasoconstriction. A pair of merino liner gloves, like Smartwool 150s, weigh less than 40 grams but can save a race when temperatures drop at altitude. Use this logic tree to decide what goes in your pack. Prioritize functionality over brand hype. Get the photochromic lenses if you can afford them for overnight races, but never skip the $25 buff. These small grams add up to massive comfort gains. Respect the small gear. Run long.